Hello everybody and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. Thank you so much for being here. I am Brian and today we are going to draw a Triceratops. Here we go! So the biggest thing I need to know is how have you guys been? I've missed you. Every time I do a video, I feel like I've been away from you guys for so long. So tell me in the comments how you feel today, how the weather is outside where you live, and let me know a few things about yourself. I myself am having a wonderful day, and it is a good day to make a Triceratops. I hope you're getting into this rainbow brush drawing. I know I am, and soon we'll have a finished product. Oh man, look at that horn. It is definitely a killer horn, meant to protect itself. So we are going to have a very strong Triceratops today. So if you've seen any of my other drawing videos, I like to name these creatures. We spend all this time creating them and drawing them and putting personality into them. I feel like it's only right that we should name them. So be thinking of a name that we can call this Triceratops. And don't say Sarah. I know The Land Before Time was amazing, but we have to be original on this one. Speaking of The Land Before Time, is there anybody out there that has seen The Land Before Time? I love those movies. Now there's like 52 of them out there. My favorite one is the very first one. Littlefoot. I love Littlefoot. And you know, come to think of it, Littlefoot is a drawing I'm going to be doing here in a little while. Now it's kind of a play on Bigfoot, but if you want to see Littlefoot drawn beautifully, stay tuned and make sure you look through the videos and we can draw that together. You know, in the last video that I did, I was talking about how awesome it would be to have a time machine, go back in time and see the dinosaurs firsthand. And I still think that would be a good idea. Like I said, if you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it after this video. I love to do a whole bunch of drawings at the same time, the same day, so I'll move on from one to the next and just kind of go through the mood that I'm in. Today is dinosaurs. Alright, everything is looking so good right now. I know your drawing is looking amazing as well. We've got the horns done. The whole head is pretty much finished. And we're going to be moving on to little details around the horns at the top of the head. Now I was thinking of a name, and I think we should name the Triceratops Floss. I think I've just been having Fortnite on my brain. I've been playing Fortnite a lot. Have you guys been playing Fortnite a lot? Pretty popular, pretty famous right now. I love Fortnite. If you guys play Fortnite, let me know in the comments. Make sure that you let me know that I am not the only one out there with an addiction to this game. If you haven't played the game, they have a dance in there that is called the floss, and everyone does it now. Kind of a popular thing to do. Alright, so we're drawing the feet, we're drawing the tail, and we are almost done. You see how quick that was? Took no time at all. It's a fun activity, and if you get really good at it, you can impress your friends and redraw them from memory. This particular Triceratops looks a little bit grumpy, but has a pleasant disposition. Now you can't be too mad at him for being a little bit grumpy. I would be grumpy too if I went extinct a few million years ago. But not to worry, we are bringing him back to life right now. We've got just a little bit more to go and he will be completely done, and you will be able to hang him on your fridge, hang him on your wall, show all your friends, and move on to the next drawing. I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for drawing this with me. It means a lot to me, and it was so much fun. I hope you had fun as well. Draw some more details at the end there. Alright, as we finish up with a few details here, you can start coloring this in. Looks amazing. In the background, why don't you put some foliage, some trees, some bushes? Maybe a volcano. I think a volcano would look really good. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching Rainbow Brush. I am Brian, and I will see you later.